Mastering SEO, Tips and Tricks for Improved Online Visibility. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on SEO tips and tricks, where we will explore effective strategies to enhance your website's online visibility and drive organic traffic. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a constantly evolving practice that aims to improve your website's rankings on search engine results pages, SERPs. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can optimize your website, outrank competitors, and attract more qualified leads. Let's dive into the world of SEO and unlock its potential for your online success. Section 1. Keyword Research and Optimization. 1.1 Understanding Keyword Intent. 1. Analyzing user search intent to target relevant keywords. 2. Differentiating between informational, navigational, and transactional queries. 3. Using tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest for keyword research. 1.2 Long-tail keywords for targeted traffic. 1. Exploring long-tail keywords to reach niche audiences. 2. Leveraging specific and descriptive phrases to boost conversion rates. 3. Incorporating long-tail keywords into your content and meta tags. 1.3 Optimizing on-page content. 1. Crafting high-quality, engaging content around target keywords. 2. Utilizing keyword variations naturally throughout the content. 3. Optimizing meta titles, meta descriptions, and header tags for SEO. Section 2. Technical SEO Best Practices. 2.1 Site Structure and Navigation. 1. Ensuring a clear and organized site structure for search engines and users. 2. Creating an XML sitemap to help search engines index your pages efficiently. 3. Implementing breadcrumbs for user-friendly navigation. 2.2 Mobile Optimization. 1. Prioritizing mobile responsiveness for improved user experience and SEO. 2. Testing website performance on various mobile devices and browsers. 3. Utilizing Google's mobile-friendly test tool to identify and fix issues. 2.3 Page Speed Optimization. 1. Minimizing page load times for enhanced user experience and SEO. 2. Compressing images, leveraging browser caching, and using content delivery networks, CDNs. 3. Employing tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify speed bottlenecks. Section 3. Content Creation and Link Building. 3.1 High-quality content creation. 1. Focusing on creating valuable, shareable, and link-worthy content. 2. Incorporating multimedia elements like images, videos, and infographics. 3. Publishing regularly to keep your website fresh and relevant. 3.2 Link Building Strategies. 1. Earning backlinks from authoritative and relevant websites. 2. Guest posting on reputable blogs and industry publications. 3. Participating in online communities and forums to build relationships and links. 3.3 Internal linking for SEO. 1. Utilizing internal links to distribute link equity and improve crawlability. 2. Linking to relevant, related content within your website. 3. Creating a site-wide linking strategy to boost SEO performance. Section 4. Local SEO Techniques. 4.1 Google My Business Optimization. 1. Claiming and verifying your Google My Business listing. 2. Providing accurate NAP, name, address, phone number, information. 3. Encouraging customer reviews and responding to them promptly. 4.2 Local Citations and Directories. 1. Listing your business on reputable local directories and review sites. 2. Ensuring NAP consistency across all online platforms. 3. Using tools like Moz Local to manage and monitor local citations. Section 5. SEO and Social Media Integration. 5.1 Social Media as an SEO Tool. 1. Leveraging social media platforms to amplify your content and attract traffic. 2. Encouraging social sharing and engagement to boost SEO signals. 3. Using social listening to identify trending topics and keywords. 5.2 Rich snippets and schema markup. 1. Implementing schema markup to provide structured data to search engines. 2. Enhancing search results with rich snippets, such as star ratings and product information. 3. Utilizing Google's structured data testing tool to validate schema implementation. In addition to the comprehensive guide on SEO tips and tricks provided earlier, it is essential to emphasize the significance of user experience in SEO success. Search engines increasingly prioritize websites that offer valuable, user-friendly experiences. Therefore, optimizing your website for mobile devices is paramount, as an increasing number of users access the web through their smartphones and tablets. Another critical aspect of SEO is the continuous creation of high-quality content. Regularly publishing fresh and engaging content not only attracts visitors but also encourages other websites to link to yours, further boosting your website's authority and rankings. Multimedia elements, such as images, videos, and infographics, can enhance the appeal of your content and increase its shareability across various social media platforms. Moreover, local SEO strategies have become indispensable for businesses aiming to capture the attention of local customers. Optimizing your Google My Business listing, maintaining consistent NAP information, name, address, phone number, and actively seeking customer reviews can significantly improve your local search visibility. Integration with social media platforms is another avenue to explore. By incorporating social media as part of your SEO strategy, you can increase brand exposure, amplify your content, and engage with your target audience on multiple levels. Utilizing rich snippets and schema markup can also enhance your website's appearance in search results, making it more appealing to users and potentially increasing click-through rates. Lastly, remember that SEO is an ever-evolving field. Regularly monitoring performance metrics, staying updated with industry trends, and adapting your strategies accordingly is crucial to maintain your website's competitive edge. By combining technical optimization, content creation, link building, local SEO, and social media integration, you can build a robust and effective SEO strategy that drives organic traffic and ensures long-term success for your online presence. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now possess a comprehensive toolkit of SEO tips and tricks to elevate your website's online visibility and drive organic traffic. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, and staying up to date with the latest trends and algorithm changes is essential for sustained success. By implementing these strategies and continuously optimizing your website, you can conquer the world of SEO and achieve higher rankings, increased traffic, and improved conversions. Best of luck on your journey to mastering SEO.